Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is an Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts to expand and minimize both the video and the audio tracks in your timeline. If you look to the far right of your timeline, there are these sliders over here that you can use to expand and minimize both the video and the audio tracks, but they're kind of confusing to use. The first thing you want to do is select the timeline panel. You can tell it's selected when you see the blue bounding box around it. To expand or minimize the height of the video tracks only on your timeline, I'm going to press the Command key on a Mac, Control on a PC, and tap on the plus or the equal key. So I have my hand on the Command key, and I'm going to tap on the plus. You can see that the video tracks are expanding. If I want to go the other direction, I'm going to tap on the minus key with my hand on the Command or Control. If you're on a PC, you can see I can go up in height or down. So that's the video tracks only. Press the Command key. And to expand or minimize the audio tracks only, I'm going to press the Option key on a Mac, Alt on a PC, and do the same thing. Tap on the plus or the equal. It's going to expand the audio tracks. You can see that the video tracks are not affected at all. I'm going to go the other direction. I have my hand on the Option key, and I'm tapping on the minus key. And if you want to expand both the video and the audio tracks at the same time, press the Shift key, then tap on the plus or the equal key, and you will expand both the video and the audio tracks. If you want to minimize both the video and audio tracks, hold the Shift key again and tap on the minus key. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is your quick tip in Adobe Premiere Pro. Cheers.